traders, Mark here with PPT Trading Systems. Today is Thursday, January 5th, 2017. So it's the second trading day of the year for me. And after 2 days of trading, I'm up about 9% on my account. And that's before fees. So today what I want to talk about, and I'll get to the trades here in a second, but I want to talk about something that we often discuss in the room. And it's the idea of just being a trader. And the question is, when you think about trading, do you think of yourself as a trader or a risk manager? So when I first started trading, I really just focused on trying to find trades. I wanted more trades. I wanted short trades with instant gratification, and I wanted more of them. And all I cared about was putting risk on the table, because I felt like if I was putting risk on the table, I would, I'd get more repetition and I should have better results. Well, at that time, I didn't have a system at that time. So, now that I've been trading for a while, my mentality has really changed. I'm actually looking for fewer trades, and I can't wait to take risk off the table. So notice the difference. When I first started, I couldn't wait to put risk on the table, and now I can't wait to take risk off the table. So now, going back to my original question, am I a trader or am I a risk manager? Well, honestly, I see myself strictly as a risk manager. Think about a bank. Just put yourself in the shoes of a lender at a bank. That's actually the world I came from. So put yourself in those shoes. You're managing a portfolio of assets for the bank. Do you think the bank would think of me as a lender or a risk manager? It's a risk manager, right? That's my job first and foremost. Your trading account is no different. So today, now I'm going to go into the trades now for today, but I want you to think about this concept as I'm going through the trades today. Okay, let's look at the charts. So when I got in this morning, here's what the market looked like. We had a run up yesterday afternoon, and then we had a really quick run up right here before I opened the room. You can see, guys, here's let's see, where's 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock is right here. So for an hour and a half, I was just in this really little range right here. And then we had a quick move up, followed by a very quick move down. Okay? So what happened today? Well, today was full of news. We had 4 different news events, which created some tumultuous trading. So let's go to the trading time frame, and let's take a look and see what that looks like. So one of my rules is I don't hold a trade through any news that's listed as high impact. So this trade, I got in here at 66, and I had to close it because news was coming up at 7:15. I took a 3-tick loss. Now, what would have happened? I never would have been stopped out. You see here, it only went 10 ticks against me. If you guys have been following me long enough, you know I use a 15-tick stop. So I never would have been stopped out. And then price would have come up and got within 1 tick of my target. And I would have closed the trade on this down red bar. Because anything that gets within 1 tick of my target, I close on the first down red bar. So I would have been out for about 9-tick profit. But that's okay. I followed my rules and I took a 3-tick loss. Okay? Had another trade set up right here. Money pattern. Got in here at 61. Had to sit through this trade for a while. And then finally got my target. So I made $300 there. Okay, today is oil inventory day. Oil inventory news was out at 10 o'clock today. I had no more trades until right before news, which was right here. I got in this trade and I could just tell that they weren't going to, it didn't look like they were going to pop before news. And I was honestly way too close to news to take a trade. I was here within 10 minutes of news. So I just closed this trade for break even. Okay, I don't have it on my chart because it was just a wash. And good thing I did, because they actually ended up going down. And here's the news. This is why you don't hold these trades through news, not through major news like inventory. Okay, after news, we had a big move down. I took a trade right here. I thought I was going to get this one. Look at this. So they came down. I thought they were going to push through. I moved my stop and was able to get out of this thing with just a small loss. So what happened today? I took 3 trades. I lost 2 of them. And I'm still positive on the day. I'm actually positive $120 on this account. $240 on my other account. So it's not a great day, but look what happened. Guys, I managed my risk and was able to only win 1 trade, lose 2, and still have a positive day. That puts me at, the first 2 trading days of the year in the green for a total of about 9% on my account. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today. Come check out the room. And like I say, follow your rules and trade for cash flow.